Hey, we just got the Honda CB650R accessories that we ordered like a month ago to put here on the Honda, and we're kind of checking it out. So the kid says...
So, in all sincereness, before we do anything, I want to see how I feel with it there.
Okay.
Hold this when you get it.
Well, I thought that was something different. This here, this is just separate from this.
It goes under that.
Yeah, but this goes there no matter what.
Yeah. I'm telling you. I just want to feel how the bag feels.
Yeah, I know. Here, let's put it on there. Get it strapped on.
Well, I want to feel...
Violence. Violence. Get the little magnetic things out on it so it secures itself. Here, let me show you. I mean, do you sit up straight or do you... You don't crouch over like that.
Yeah, I do in the video. I sit like this.
Okay, well, is that something you like?
I don't know how it's going to be. Right now it's pushed up against my stomach. Do you see it?
You can push it forward a little bit. Let me see. Yeah, see, it goes up higher. So we moved it up further. So that's how it goes. All right, making progress here. Got the tank protector on. Now it's pretty cool for the bag. Look here, this is pretty neat. You replace the existing Allen heads, screws, with this setup so that the bag attaches there and secured. Pretty neat. All right, the kid is loosened up the Allen screws, and I take the wrench away now, so you can just spin that with your hand, but don't drop it in the tank. There you go. Now we get the wrench out of your area so you don't drop it on the tank. Cool. There you go. So now unscrew that screw. Just put one down. Here you go. Okay, good deal. Does that seem right? You know how that floats around like that?
I have to tighten it down with the wrench.
Okay.
Yeah.
But how deep is that? I don't know. Okay. Don't drop the wrench. Hey, you a little tired?
I'm not.
Okay. Wrong way. Wrong way.
Righty-tighty.
Righty-tighty. You're going to strip it out now. You can't... You don't want to do that. You never do what you're getting ready to do. You never. That is so dangerous. You got to hand tighten it down. Okay, now push, not pull. Get that in that socket correct. I think that's a shallow. That's it. And that's it. That's a shallow. What's weird is I think that washer's on backwards. Whoa! Get that thing in there. That's good. Oh, you gotta make sure you get that head really lined up correctly. You're good, good.
I'm trying.
Yeah, I mean, you're gonna strip it out.
But you always say that, but I've never had it happen.
Well, yeah, you'll find out one day.
But I'm
All right, get your bag. Where's the bag?
I'm trying my best.
Here you go. Here, I know you're doing a great job.
Yeah.
Okay, so here. Get your bag. And let's see what you got. All right, we got the tank bag on. This is now you can put your cell phone in there, you can put your paperwork in there, put a water bottle in there.
Yeah.
I don't even know all other stuff. What else did we get? I thought we got
A fancy fender windshield.
And what else?
A back 8
Okay. Yeah. Crazy. All right. Maybe out there wants to buy the Honda tank bag and the Honda scratch pad. There it is on the Honda CB650R. Wow. The kid sounds like my dad. Right, Kiwi?